What do you have there?
Oh, sofa. Bits of wood, I think. I think that's all it was
Do.
chopped for.
Ah!
Does it?
Well, you can put it on your channel. What? You can put it on your channel. So, yeah, this is my bonfire. Yeah, guys. Ah, nice. Don't want you to do it. Well, like,
I just say something. I'm 74 and run.
Yeah, what you know.
It's about okay, so hot. I put this pig right in the fire. I'm trying to control it now. That's good, most of it's over that way, so it's all burnt right now.
Did you do this most years then?
I used to, yeah, but never ever got to do this much.
Hello.
It's me from the other side.
hi.